the air cleaner and pop these 2 tabs up with the hands, kind of walk it up. Tabs, and now you just pull. You have to pull this real red tab out, push this tab in right here in order to release the connector from the injector. Then go ahead and slide this tab over, push this button down, and then like this, and push the tab where you hear that click, and you can pull right out. Now our injector harness is out of the way. We can unbolt our fuel injector rail. This next part is pretty easy. You want to just use very slight pressure. You want to do is you want to back this clip out like so, and then the injector just pops out just like so. All right, so here's our old fuel injector. Here's the new one.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
And everything just goes back in reversed order. Fuel injector into the rail. Reinstall our clip. Just like that. And I'm gonna just do those finger tight right now and then snug them up slightly by hand. That back into place. Don't forget our mass airflow sensor, breather tube. Check our misfire data to make sure that cylinder 6 and 5 and no other cylinders misfiring after the fuel injector replacement. And we're looking for is if there's any counts in this value. It's like we are good. We're not seeing any value or any numbers show up in the value. I'll show you guys a picture of what it looks like whenever there is a misfire. You'll see that cylinder 6 was misfiring before. Feel free to give us a call, comment, share, like. Tell us what you thought about the video. If you liked it, if you didn't like it.